Well, a good Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody's having a good Tuesday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it is warm, I'm here to tell you, and we're expecting some rain, so hopefully we'll get some. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. Well, what I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to get our companion planting on in that no-till side of the raised bed. So give me a second. We finna walk over yonder, and that's what we finna do. Dan, what you finna do now? Well, I'm here to tell you. I have went back and forth on what I want to plant in this no-till side of the 16-foot raised beds, and I've decided I'm just going to go on and companion plant two things that I know that will grow really well together. First thing is this, and this is Jackpot Hybrid Sweet Corn. I'm here to tell you this is some good eating stuff. You can eat it right off the stalk. It's delicious. If you could find this in your area, you ought to give it a try because it's some really good corn. The other thing that we're going to plant is cantaloupe, and I am a huge fan of cantaloupe. Love it. I could eat my weight in it. I am trying a new species out, and this is called Sierra Gold. The plans are we're going to plant out our cantaloupe, and all I did was made a hill, probably 4 foot long, and I don't know how tall it is, but it's just a hill, and I have some holes. Water down that hill. We're going to plant our cantaloupe here. The thinking behind this is once the cantaloupe actually grows, it's going to vine out. I have some furrows that I cut out with my hoe. We're going to plant the corn there. Cantaloupe grows, vines out. It's going to start running this way. If it wants to climb up the corn, that'd be fine. But those vines are actually going to shade the soil and provide a little bit of moisture retention for this corn as it's growing. And of course, corn is a heavy feeder, so we'll be side dressing this with fertilizer come time. But this is what we're going to do today to get it started. So let's do that. So on our cantaloupe, to get started, all I'm going to do is drop in about maybe 4 or 5 seeds in each hole, and I have 4 of them. Dan, that looks like a bunch of seeds in those hills. Well, yeah, that's fine, because if they all germinate, I'll actually thin it out to maybe 3 plants on this hill. So we're gonna rock on like that. The only thing I'm gonna do is just cover them jokers up. Get a little bit of water and water it in again. I'm not gonna do too much because it's supposed to rain, hopefully. Okay, that is done. What's the matter, Rosie? It's hot outside, ain't it? Now let's commence to planting this corn. And I'm going to plant this corn pretty tight. And again, I could probably thin it out, but I actually like planting everything real tight, especially in a raised bed, because that corn is what's going to, when they blowing around together and hitting each other, that's what's going to pollinate everything. Them hitting each other, plus all the other pollinators I have rocking on over here. So let's get this jackpot corn in the ground. So we ain't gonna get too scientific on this. Just gave maybe a couple of inches apart. Ain't no biggie. And then we'll just rock on. I'll bring y'all in a little bit closer once I get this corn in and show you exactly what I'm doing. And again, if you haven't tried Jackpot Hybrid Corn, you need to give it a try, especially if you like corn. I'm going to seed this other side up. All right, see if you can see that. See my little kernels right there. I'm going all the way down. Did it on the other side. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to run a little bit of water up in there. And just cover them up. Dan, is that planted too deep? I don't know, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna go ahead and call that done. Lord have mercy. If everything germinates like it should, this is gonna be a fantastic growing no-till raised bed. Corn and cantaloupe. Yes, indeed. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Companion planting. If you haven't tried it, you need to do it. There's a lot of stuff that grows really well together, especially corn and cantaloupe. They grow well. The cantaloupe helps the corn by shading out the soil, sort of like a mulch, so to speak, with their vines and their leaves. Moisture stays in the ground for the corn, and corn can get their grow on. So it's going to be exciting to see how this works out. I've never done it this way before, but I'm just all about companion planting. Somebody's going to ask and may say, Dan, you planted that corn too close. Yeah, I did, and I did that for a reason. I like everything compact when I'm growing. I like everything squished in if I can get it. If I have to, I'll thin out that corn. We'll just have to see how that works come time. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Tuesday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, trying to do stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming Dan reference show enough. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.